Good evening everyone. I hope you guys are doing good. So this video is to tell you guys that I'm starting with my data science classes from the first of the next month. If you want to become a data scientist, you can avail these classes. So I'll be providing you guys with 14 classes in 1 month in just rupees 1400. Right, so it is going to be a 12 months long course in which we will cover all the in and outs of data science. In this data science course, we'll cover the advanced Python packages like Numpy, Matplotlib library, Pandas, Scikit learn, with the help of which we can analyze the data and we can find out new patterns in the data. We'll cover everything related to machine learning also, whether you talk about linear regression, logistic regression, or advanced things like SVM, support vector machine, naive Bayes algorithm. So all these things will be covered in this course. So if you want to avail these classes, you can contact me on my number, which is 9891665634. Also, you can find the information related to this course in the description below. So I'll be waiting for you in the classes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye everyone. Take care.